viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channels, Lamar Theorem. I remain your one and only, aka Mommy or the Labs. We all know that we stop at episode 9. So today we are moving on to episode 10. So under episode 10, we are going to have what we call a simultaneous, linear, and quadratic equation. I know that most of them don't like a simultaneous equation due to when you have them to use elimination method. But don't worry, I got you covered on this channel. So today we are going to talk about the linear as the equation 1 and the quadratic as the equation 2. So don't do yourself. Grab a pen, grab a paper, or you can jot down and have something to write down. So at the end of this wonderful question, so you can have something you've learned or you've gained. So now let's go. Don't do. Now we have solve the equation where we have 2x plus y equals to 5 and x squared plus y squared equals to what? 25. Now solution where we have 2x plus y equals to 5. Let's call this one equation 1. So we have x squared plus y squared equals to what? 25. Call this one equation 2. Now, in other equation 1, we are going to make what? We are going to make y the solid of the what? Of the formula. And we can also make x the solid of the what? Of the formula. But it is better to make use of y so that we can easily solve. We can also make x the solid of the formula, but we are going to have something like a fraction when we make it as x the solid of the formula. So now let's make y the solid of the formula in equation 1. Make y the subject formula in equation 1. So our equation 1 is 2x plus y equals to 5. So we have y equals to 5 minus what? 2x, because this one equation 3. So that will be our equation 3. So under the equation 3 now, we can now substitute it back into what? Equation 2. And don't make this a mistake. Don't substitute your equation 3 back to what? Equation 1. This is totally what? Totally wrong. Now, this 2x, this power, make this one to be what? To be quadratic. And if it is having 3, how it is having what? 4, it is also what? Quadratic equation. So now let's substitute y equals to 5 minus 2x into what? Equation 2. So substitute y equals to 5 minus 2x into equation 2. So our equation 2 is x squared plus y squared equals to what? 25. Now that we have this one let's substitute this 5 minus 2x into this. So we have x squared plus 5 minus 2x squared equals to what? 25. Now let's expand this one now. So we have x squared plus 5 minus 2x, then 5 minus what? 2x equals to what? 25. Are we together now? Okay, so we have x squared plus 5 times 5, that is 25. So 5 times minus 2x, that is minus 10x, minus 2x times 5, that is minus 10, minus 10x, minus times minus is plus, 2 times 2, that is 4, x times x, well, x squared equals to what? 25. Okay, now this one will now give us x squared plus 25 minus 10, that is minus 20x. Now we have what? Plus 4x squared equals to what? 25. Okay, so this is x squared, this is x squared. I'm bringing this one down to this place. We have x squared, are we together now? Plus 4x squared, right? So minus 20x plus 25 minus 25 plus what? 0. Are we together now? When this one is come to this side, change to what? Minus. So this is 5x squared. Are we together? Minus 20x. Are we there? So this is what? This one is 0. So equals to what? 0. Is it clear now? Okay. So now we can take this one to this side. So we can say 5x squared equals to that is 20 what? 20x. Are we together? So we divide both sides by what? By 5. So we have 5x squared, 5, 20x, 5. So 5 cancel 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 4. So we have x squared equals to 4x. Okay. So I'll bring this 4x back to this place. Here we have x squared minus 4x equals to what? 0. So what is common? X is common. We have x minus what? 4 equals to what? 0. Are we together now? So I can say x equals to 0 or x minus 4 equals to what? 0. So let's say x minus 4 equals to 0 or x equals to what? 0. So I can now say x equals to 0 plus 4 or x equals to what? 0. So x equals to 4 or 0. So that is for what? For x. So now let's calculate for y now. So now substitute x equals to 4 or 0 into equation what? Equation 3. Because we want to calculate for what? For y. So we have y equals to 5 minus 2s. Are we together now? So this is it here. Y equals to 5 minus 2x. So we have y equals to 5 minus 2, open bracket, what? 4. So y equals to 5 minus what? 8. Now we have y equals to minus what? Minus 3. So when we have y equals to what? Minus 3. So now that is for this. Now let us say or y equals to 5 minus 2x. Now I want to substitute the 0. So we can say y equals to 5 minus 2, open bracket, 0. So y equals to 5 minus 0. So y equals to what? 5. Okay. So and we have, you can see that we have two answers for x and we have two answers for what? Y. So we can now say we have x1, y1 and s2, y2. Are we together now? So what's our x1? That is 4. Then y1 is minus 3 and s2 0. Then we have what? 5. So that is what? That is our answer for this wonderful question. So when we are dealing with simultaneous linear and quadratic equation, you focus on the what? Your first attention is done what? On the linear what? The linear equation aspect of it, not the quadratic what? Equation. So in the equation 1, I make y the what? The subject of the what? A formula. Where we have y equals to 5 minus 2s equals to, that will be what? Equation 3. So after that, I substitute it back to what? Into equation 2. Then I now what? I now expand. This expansion is GS3 what? GS3 work or GS2 work. So then from here, I open what? Open the bracket by expanding by using this what is here to multiply this. What's inside this what? Bracket. So we have this as our what? Answer. So then we have this collect like times here. X squared plus 5x squared giving us 4x squared, give us what? 5x squared minus 20. So plus 25. There is positive here coming to what? Minus. So 25 minus 25 is what? That is 0. So we have 5x squared minus 20x equals to 0. So we have 5x squared. When it's coming change in plus, that is 20x. So we divide both sides by what? By 5. 5 will cancel 5. 5 here 1, 5 and 20 is what? 4. So we have x squared equals to what? 4x. So I'm bringing this back, I'm bringing it back to this side. So to be x squared minus 4x equals to what? 0. So what's common here? S is common. So we have x minus what? 4 equals to 0. So I can say
my money, my body, now your own. My house is my cars, it's the remix king. Davido kills more music.